Okay, we will do lab number 4 for cis1103, how to determine the MAC address and IP address of your computer. Okay. This is my packet tracer, all right? Look at the screen here. Let's say I want to add a PC. Okay, here, I will choose the computer. You see how I'm doing it? I drag the computer here, okay? Now, if I want to check what is the IP address, or I want to configure and find out what is the MAC address, what is the IP address of this computer, click on it, one click. You can go to desktop. You have the IP configuration. I forgot to record. Oh, it's recording. Yeah, good, good. So this is the way I click, one click. This is my IP version. This is the IP4 address. Okay. And this is the MAC address, link local address. Okay. There is another way to check that. I click on it. I go to the command prompt and then type the command IP config/all. By the way, you can type this on your computer. Go to the command prompt. You know how to go to the command prompt? You click on the Windows icon, and then okay, so when I type the command prompt, you see here I have my IP address. It is 0 because we did not configure it. And this is the IP version 6 address, and this is the physical address. This is my MAC address. Okay. Let's continue. So this is lab. Now we'll do the second lab. We will connect this lab 5. We will connect this computer to a switch. So I click here, and then down here I have different choices. Look here, I click in the category, then I have router or switch. So I will choose the second one for switch. Okay, choose the second one and then choose a switch. Let's choose the first model, 2960 switch. All right, make it look nice, please. All right. Now I need to connect the cable between the switch. Now I know from our study when we did the cabling, we can use to connect a switch to a computer, because there are different types. Then we can use copper straight through. So I will click on the cables category, and then I will choose this copper straight cable. I will click on the PC. I will use fast Ethernet 0 as mentioned in the lab. And then I will click on the switch and I will choose fast Ethernet 01. This is what's mentioned there. You see, these are all the ports on your switch. This switch, mashallah, has 24 fast Ethernet ports and 2 Giga Ethernet ports. Okay. That's it. So now I have my computer connected to my switch. I can change also the PC label or the PC name. Okay. Configure. This is my PC. What did they name it there in your lab? PC1? Did they call it PC1? PC1, okay. So I just changed it here. Close. You see now it is changed. Also for the switch, let's say I will call it S1. You can, whatever they ask you to name it, you can name it. By the way, in the exam, they ask you to do that also. So now I have my computer connected to my switch. Okay. Let us give this computer an IP address. I click on it. I go to the desktop, IP configuration, and then I will give it IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay. Or .2. The subnet mask, it will come automatically. It's a class C, 255.255.255.0, and then I will close. Okay, see now my connection is green. Everything is all right. Okay, so now after the break, we'll do another lab. Stop this. Any questions about this one?